Hello everybody and welcome to Mike's Retro Tech. Different sort of video now. I might start doing some of these actually because I've got a lot of Casio watches. Casio watch. You'll see another video for putting a strap on a Casio watch. I've got a Casio calculator watch. I've also got a very expensive Seiko waterproof mariner's diver's watch that has completely seized up. So hopefully I'll be doing a refurbishment video on that. But for the moment, I want to show you this watch. This is, well in fact I have no idea what this is because, yeah, it was from the Gillette Champions promotion range. Water resistant. I think it's an electroluminescent light. I'm not quite sure because there's obviously the battery's died. I'm going to try and replace the battery now. Can't find anything, any details of this on Casio's website, and there's none available on eBay because this is the, as you can see, the S-Shock, not the G-Shock. And all I can find is G-Shock S series and nothing else. So I'm going to try and see what sort of battery is needed in this and see whether I've got one. I've got a box of batteries down here. Watch batteries, pen batteries, the works. So I'm going to try and now put you, the viewer, on a new... Oops, there's my finger. Will that work? Oh, pardon me. No, it's not going to work. Right, let me try something different. I need to prop you up with something. What can I put in there? Can I put a Sharpie behind you? Will that do it? Ooh. Is that going to work? Oh, it might just do as well. Right, remember to try and keep it here so you can see what's going on. I've got my very fine screwdriver. I'm going to very gingerly take the screws off there. So as you can see here, when you pull apart, the plastic goes over the blanking plate, so I'm going to have to be careful not to forget to put that in, otherwise the waterproofness will go. So there we go. There's one screw. Now I've no idea whether these are sealed, whether they're pressurised or not, because I do know that I took my Seiko watch to a professional watch repairer to have a new battery, and I don't think they pressure sealed it because I think what's happened to it is it's got rusty inside, and I think that's what the problem is. Right, so 4 screws are out. Can I just use the hand in front of it? There we go, prise that off. There we are. In here looks like a battery. So how the hell do I get that battery? Oh blimey. Right, okay. So the whole lot's come out. Well, that could be quite good. So let me see then now if I can pop this battery out. Or if it's sealed, it may well be soldered onto the board. Now that will be a kicker if it is, because it means I won't be able to replace it. Sorry, I'm just off camera looking at what I've got here. Maybe we do that. Put a little tab up. Maybe not. Bit stumped about that. I'll have a think about it and be right back. Okay, I think it's a bit clever this. I think here there's a little catch, and I think that stops the battery from sliding out. So if I lift up and then push the battery out, look, fantastic. Out comes the battery. There we go. And it is a CR2025. I don't know if you can see that. 2025. Now, in my box of tricks, I may well have a CR2025. So I'll take that out of the bag. Brand new battery. In there like so. Fantastic. That's quite impressive, that. So I'll put that back in there now, make sure it goes the right way in. Oh. Be careful not to break the rubber seal. Yeah, that's not gone in properly. I'll have to try and squiddly diddle it in. Or, right, so I'm going to have to try and get that back in there without touching any of those buttons. So I'll be back in a minute when I put it back in.
A few moments later.
Right, after a struggle, it's back in. So I'm going to put on the waterproof gasket, the seal. So you need to make sure it goes in the little grommety run. Does it go round the ring? It goes round the ring. I'm not bothered too much about the waterproof going off it because I'm not actually going to be using it. My hand's in the way again. Sorry, I was trying to get that as close as damn it to the holes. There, like that. I think that's right. Then we'll try by putting a screw in here and see what we get. And of course they're non-metallic. So we'll put... I apologise for keep getting in front of the camera. There's not much you can do when the camera is on its side and it's a mobile phone. I will try to show you in a minute if I can. The new camera setup that I've got. Well, I say new, it's new to YouTube, but it's old for me. It's one of my oldest cameras. These are not the best tweezers in the world, but they do. Let's see if that's any good. Oh, that's annoying me now, that. Nope, not playing ball. So that's probably the alarm I've just set off there with that beep. We'll have a look in a minute. Right. Oh, there we go. Right, so I've got the opposite corner screwed in now. That one and that one, which makes this corner should be a lot easier to screw in. Get it the right way if I can. There we go. That looks pretty good. You can't actually see the plastic seal, which I'm assuming an awful lot here by the assumption. But this is actually waterproof. But I don't really want to try and waterproof it because, you know, test it under the water, because it might not be, and I might have wrecked a very rare, hard to get hold of watch. Right, so screwdrivers away. Old battery. Like a bad penny, I can't throw it away. I'll dispose of that in the bin and then dispose of that properly. Where are we? There. Okay, so now, as you can see, I don't know whether you can see, is it too bright? Can I put my arm over? Let's have a look. Does it make it easy? No, it doesn't really, does it? But the seconds count up and the hours and the minutes do. And that's the stopwatch. That's the alarm mode, and actually at the moment the alarm is on. So I think if you press those two, the alarm goes off. If you press that and then that one, the alarm's on for 3, that's no good. 50 seconds. Oh, there we go. So it's now what? It's now 20... Oh, no, that's no good. 29, and it is 20. Oh, it appears not to have 24 hours. Well, there you go. So 8:29 and 40 seconds. That looks pretty good. The only kicker is the light doesn't work. Now, I don't know whether that's because the LED's gone, or whether the watch, the light never actually worked. I can't remember. Honestly, can't remember. Anyway, I'm going to see what it looks like on my wrist now. So I put this on here, I take it this is some sort of sport watch for doing your laps and things like that, because the stopwatch looks pretty good quality. I put that on there like that, and put that in there, and then take you guys off there. There you go. That's what it looks like on the wrist. So there we have it. Replacing the battery in a Casio S-Shock Gillette Champions special edition, what I assume to be quite rare LCD wristwatch with a funky rubber strap, which I wonder whether that glows in the dark. I might have to try that. With a CR2025 battery. So thanks for watching. If you like the channel, please subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you get notifications when I upload more video content. I don't know. Like the video. Give me a comment. Let me know whether you've managed to do a watch yourself, whether you've got a watch that you can't do and you need help with. And as I said before, I will do some more Casio watches and a Seiko watch repair very soon. But yet again, thanks for watching. Good night.